I was born to be free.
Morning, everybody. Is it still the morning? I don't even know. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Top of the morning to you. How is everybody doing? Happy whatever holiday it is, day in the US, President's Day or whatever, MAGA Day. Happy Family Day to my fellow Canadians. And guys, we got a lot to talk about despite us not doing anything. And listen, I'll tell you this, baby. We're dumping and we're short and we're going to talk about it. But before we do that, I need something from you guys. I need to see those cucumber emojis in the chat right now. Those pickles. If everything is good and a-okay. Oh, baby, we are dumping. Goodbye. Goodbye, Bitcoin. Listen, we're We're gonna talk about this short, man. We're gonna talk about this short. But listen, I gotta address something real quick. And real quick. Listen. Man, don't heckle. Listen, y'all wanna heckle me? Heckle me here. Don't heckle me in other people's stream, okay? Don't be a fucking asshole. Let other people work. You wanna talk shit? Come here. Don't do it in other people's stream. Please and thank you. Good morning, everybody. Igor, how are you, my friend? This is what we do to the hecklers, baby. We tell them to fucking beat it. Guys, we're talking about this short. I shorted last week, a week ago. Let me make sure my thing is good. Shouts out to Mr. Jason Casper is in the chat. Good morning, everybody. BTC is taking a dumperoni, crapperoni, and we are short, so we're chilling. We're chilling, baby. We are short. She just bought. Yo, listen, guys. Everybody get a ghost emoji in the chat for Mr. Jason Casper. Guys, listen. On my channel publicly a week ago, I told you guys I took the short. Or 3 days ago. Why am I saying a week ago? I'm getting my time frames messed up. 3 days ago, I told you guys I shorted. I shorted up here. Okay. Shorted wayo up here, which I gave. I told you guys 3 days ago. We re-shorted again. The level was given in the Discord. Jay just longed 100x. Brother, listen, Jay, I have an ongoing joke. I don't know if you've been around. First of all, welcome back from your vacation. But I have an ongoing joke because these guys are like, yo, you're a Jay copier because I'm on the treadmill all the time. And I'm like, yo, man, I pay Jay. Every step I take, I pay Jay in royalties. Shouts out to Jay, though. Yeah, let's get those ghost emojis in the chat for Mr. Jason Casper. An absolute OG. Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Listen, I skipped the good morning. So rude of me because I had to make that little quick announcement. Eric, what's up, brother? Listen, Eric, every time that intro comes on, I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for that comment now. You got me emotionally invested in that comment at the end of the intro. How are you guys? How was your weekend? How is your, what is it, President's Day? President's Day slash Family Day here in Canada. Hey, Joe, can I make a video on how to use Mexi? Yeah, bro, I will. I have a lot of people asking me how to use exchanges and stuff, and I'm ignorant to thinking like people know what they're, I mean, not in a condescending way, but I just think like but I should do it. But I don't think like people need to know how to do that, but I should. I absolutely should, and I will. And I got to get on that, man. I got to get on that. Rendell's in the chat. What's up, Mr. Dave Digital? Good morning. Obviously, Mr. Jason Casper, good morning. Igor's in the chat. What's poppin'? God, what's poppin'? Fichi, what's poppin'? Design Aspects, Rendell. I see y'all, man. I see y'all. Pride Week. Yeah. Bitcoin is dumping, guys, and I am short on Bitcoin. And you know what? Man, I was so wanting to have that, like, not clickbait, but like that thumbnail. $100,000 short. I'm only $57,000 short right now. But hey, short is short, baby. Short is short. And we're going to talk about it, guys. So listen, I mean, look, over the weekend, Bitcoin hasn't really, oh man. Yo, shouts out to Jay, man. Thanks for the royalties, bro. Thank you, Jason, bro. You didn't have to do that, man. I really appreciate it. God bless you and your family, bro. Thank you, man. I'm humbled by that. Thank you. You're welcome for the royalties, though. These steps are getting expensive, man. They're getting expensive. Dude, how is my coffee? Man, you already know I don't drink coffee. Come on now. You already know. You already know. Thank you, Jay. I appreciate it, bro. So listen, guys, we've been talking about Bitcoin, man. And we've been talking about BTC. And I mean, look, objective. We're going to be objective, okay? I made some tweets over the weekend and whatever. We're going to be objective here. And we're going to start on the daily time frame. Mind you, the past couple days haven't been very, you know, eventful, we'll say. Ew, let me get that line off. Hasn't been very eventful, to say the least. But I made a tweet, okay? I made a tweet. If I go on x.com, I made a tweet last week. I made a poll actually yesterday. Man, my time frames are really messed up. My time, not time frames. My time is really messed up. YouTube, don't look at all the TATE stuff that's on my channel right now. So I made a tweet, okay? I posted the daily chart and I said, guys, this is bullish or bearish. And thankfully, 71% of you said bearish. But guys, listen, let's be objective here, okay? Sentiment across the board is through the roof. I cannot look in any direction without seeing Bitcoin to 100K, Bitcoin to 2 million, Bitcoin. Dude, I saw someone say Bitcoin to like 15 million by June. Okay, sentiment is through its roof. In my opinion, people are absolutely going bananas. And it's funny that we're dumping now because, I mean, I made the video 3 days ago. Fine. I've gotten shaken out a little bit in this range. Sure, but we're going to start on the daily and we're going to say objectively, okay? What do we see on the daily? Objectively, guys, we have money heavily coming out, okay? Heavily coming out of Bitcoin while putting in divergence after divergence after divergence after divergence, okay? And not only that, let me lower the music because it's distracting me. Not only that, but this is a spike wave, guys. If you're new to the channel, if you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Gio, and every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. But I have redefined market ciphers waves, okay? I've redefined them, and this is a spike wave. Now I've made a video on the different waves and what you should be looking for with market cipher, especially when money flow is very thick in the green, okay? And I have redefined what this wave is. It's a spike wave. If you're new here and you don't know what I'm talking about, you're not missing anything because that video is coming out this week, specifically talking about these spike waves. But there is no doubt in my mind that the daily time frame is bearish, and in my opinion, people are absolutely out to their bananas, okay? I have no idea. I don't know how people are looking at this and are even contemplating it being bullish. Now, I'm going to give you guys, listen, full disclosure, because I live in reality, and I'm not going to sit here and say that I didn't see the same thing at 38K, and then we ripped it after 38K up another 25%, okay? Obviously, we had the hecklers in the chat. Oh, Gio's been bearish since 38K. Hell yeah, I was bearish at 38K. We have more spike waves here. We had all this liquidity that we could have grabbed. So yes, absolutely. But anyways, look, there is no doubt. I'm telling you, to me, maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe I'm an idiot, but things don't look bullish in the slightest to me. And when I posted that tweet, guys, I'm spitting all over you. I'm sorry. When I posted that tweet, okay, I was like, yo, or somebody replied, they're like, you know, the 2-day looks good, the 3-day looks good. And my answer for the 2-day was kind of meh, because you could see that we're potentially front running this red dot. Remember, guys, when you see the red dot on that time frame, you already missed the move. Market cipher is a leading indicator for many things. The dots are not one of them. That's why when you see a green dot on the 4-hour time frame, when you put an alert, green dot on the 4-hour time frame, and you long it right away, you're probably gonna get liquidated. That's why the BitBoy green dots don't work, because they're lagging indicators. When you have the dot is produced as a result of, the dot is produced as a result of the candles. Okay, so when you already see the red dot, you're already missing it. So the way that you need to think about market cipher, I need you guys to try to join me in the market cipher multiverse. Okay, the way you got to think about this is when you have a red dot on the 2-day time frame, or we're potentially getting a red dot, right? We already know that with vector candles, guys, when it comes to vector candles, when you look to the left, you have to say, whenever you see a red dot, these vectors can get recovered. They can. Are they going to 100% of the time? Absolutely not. Trading is all probabilities. But I will tell you something that is 100%. There is no such thing as 2 green dots in a row. So the next dot, no matter what, is going to be a red dot, no matter what. And we know that when you have a no matter what red dot, you need to look to the left and say that these can get recovered. And you know that when you already see the red dot, you already missed the move. Okay, now this is a 2-day time frame, so we could come down pretty substantially. But if you took the price from the top to where we are now, we're already down 2% and we haven't had our dot yet. What if this dot comes later today when price is already down to, like, I'm not saying it's going here today, but let's say price is down to like $46,000, and then now you see the red dot. Are you going to short it? Well, you missed the move already. Okay, so the daily time frame, this is why I replied to that comment on Twitter here, on X, and I was like, like the 2-day kind of the 3-day looks good, I'll tell you that. It looks better than the 2-day. But the daily is really what does it for me, because the daily right now is implying that this 2-day dot is gonna come in heavy, right? You could say, oh, this looks like it could keep going up for another couple of weeks, right? But we have the what's it called? We have the golden nugget, which if you don't know what that is, you're gonna know what that is as well. Okay, you're gonna know what the gold. I have a video on. I don't know if I have a video on it, but we've talked about the golden nugget pretty substantially. But we have a golden nugget here, a market cipher signal that I also invented. And on the daily time frame, we got money flowing out. We got the divergence. This is absolutely a spike wave. And while we're up here and we're consolidating up here, and everybody's talking about higher prices, 56K, 57K, 58K, I'm here shorting and getting heckled because, oh, Gio, you're an idiot. You're never going to see Bitcoin go below $50,000 again. And that's what the sentiment is right now. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. And it's funny because the sentiment is so high, while in the same breath, they tell you that retail sentiment hasn't even begun yet and we haven't even started moving yet. And yes, that may be true, but what is going to get people's attention, what is going to get retail involved, is when this happens. When you guys, when retail, when Twitter markets these coins for the market makers, when everybody's making bullish thumbnails and everyone's saying 100K, get in now, you're early, bull run, completely ignoring the fact, completely ignoring all TA, and TA has been relatively ignored on a macro scale because of the ETF stuff. But what is going to get that commitment from your from retail? Well, it's you're marketing it for each other. And so now when people are saying, oh, it's going to 100K, let me buy up here, when the chart looks like it should be sell on the higher term time frames, this is what's going to get people involved, right? And so is the bull market here? Guys, I don't know, but I'm not telling you that it is like everybody else is. Okay, I don't know that it's here. I'm not saying it is, and I'm not saying it's not. I do not know. Okay, but what I do know is that historically we've kept in line with this trend, okay, with our cycles. And I know that currently we are threatening our 4-year cycle. So if we are threatening the 4-year cycle, this is, man, I want you guys to think, guys. Think. Don't be sheep. Just think. Even if I'm wrong, guys, I want you to just think, please. If the 4-year cycle is at risk of jeopardy right now, okay, where the 4-year cycle is being threatened currently, because historically we rejected from the 618, whatever. We come back and have our correction. This is the bear market rally. It gets everybody involved, and then we actually go off to the races. If right now, currently, the cycle is threatened, what happens if we keep going up, and then when the halving comes, it's not bullish? Remember, historically, based on the cycles, the halving is bullish, right? We dump before the halving, then the halving comes, and then we're off to the races, give or take, right? Obviously, there's a couple months, but you know what I'm saying. But if the cycle, this is what I'm saying, no one thinks like this. If the cycle is potentially threatened, which is what all of the mega perma bulls are saying. Remember, I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish. I play it every range by range, right? But I'm just thinking logically, if everyone is saying this, that, whatever, and the super cycle, whatever, and our 4-year cycle, what we know is being threatened, then who's to say when the halving starts, things are going to be bullish? What if we just keep pumping for the next couple months, and then we sell in May, walk away, halving comes, and you just get dumped onto all eternity? What if that happens? I'm just saying, guys, it's a different approach. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm not saying, you know, I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know what's going to happen. Okay. But I'm just looking at the charts for what they are. I'm looking at the sentiment and I'm like, man, people are way too bullish. And I've been saying that, guys. I've been saying it. So I want to give you guys an update on this short trade that I took. You know, I gave in the VIP. So earlier, I mean, we haven't really been doing anything. I mean, really, for the past few days, we haven't really been doing anything. Where's my short even from? 52.8. Okay. So in my VIP section, not only, by the way, if you guys want to join the VIP, the link's in the description down below. But not only do I tell you guys what I want to see, I give video updates all the time. I give you guys the levels in advance. And I show you guys what I want to see on Market Cipher when we're getting close to those levels. And I let you guys know basically how things are looking, right? The idea is looking good so far. Money flow divs. and we have a spike wave. So I give you guys the updates, and not only that, but I'm in there trading with you if I'm on my computer, if I'm around during that time. Okay, so you do get value here. You obviously, I do courses, I do lessons and whatever else. But this first trade, that was the trade from my thumbnail from 2 days ago. This guy, this Bitcoin short that people were heckling me about, right? Was given in advance. Okay, it was absolutely given in advance. And it's funny. The funny thing about it, and I don't mean it in like a bad way, but the funny thing about it is I shorted it against CryptoFace, which, by the way, let me just say, shouts out to the sponsor, Cipher. Thank you to CryptoFace, Nick Cipher, and everybody else, obviously, for supporting the channel. Man, they've been absolutely great to me. But I shorted against all the thumbnails, man. Everybody's thumbnail over the weekend. Look, if we come back to my ex here, not my ex, my Twitter, not my ex-girlfriend. If we come back here, I tweeted, guys, I'm like, yo, every single thumbnail was weekend pump. Okay, I don't know where it is, but I tweeted, I'm like, man, people are too bullish. Now we're gonna be objective, okay? I'm in the shorts, I've taken profit, my stop loss is at entry. So if we wake up tomorrow and things are 1,000,000%, then hey, okay, sorry, like 1,000,000% up. Hey, I was wrong. I got stopped out at entry. No problem. Okay, I'm chilling. I'm good. I'm not long right now. I'm not really interested in longs right now until we come much lower. I do have levels beneath us that I've given to my VIP members. I really think, and please don't come at me. Don't hate me. Shouts out to everybody that's new in the stream. We got 800 people in here. Okay, 800 people. I have a different approach. I don't trade like everybody else does. Okay, every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. I really think we could make our way down to like 43.5K. I really think that. Now, I'm not going to go over that today because we're talking about the local stuff and how the trade is looking out right now. I've already taken profits. I'm already chilling. Stop loss is at entry. But I do think that people are way too bullish. And I do think that we've struggled to see any real retracements as of late. Even the 21% move to the downside that we had over here, in my opinion, was not enough. Okay, because we still have all this liquidity, and as long as we're above this liquidity, I don't care if Bitcoin goes to 100K. This will always be in the back of my mind, because if we ever come close to this, I am 100% going to expect them to come and take this. And before any bull market is coming, or I believe, and I build a narrative every day, I believe that before any bull market, we're gonna sweep this liquidity. I don't believe we just come up like this, you know, fart around up here, come up, pump it again. Like, remember, Bitcoin's been just completely ignoring all technicals, in my opinion anyways, right? Like money flow divergences, everything divergences, market cipher divergences, spike waves, right? It's been ignoring it. Until we take these lows, I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm not bullish, because I will still long. I play every range for what it is. Look, my main target right now for this short is down to 43K. That's nowhere near 30K, 33K. Right? But I'm realistic. I live in reality. I understand that if market makers want to send it down here, they will. And I understand that if they want to send it down there, we can get down there pretty quick. Look how fast we came up. We can absolutely rip it down a lot further and a lot faster. And I promise you this liquidity, when they decide to run for it, because eventually they will, whether it's before the bull market, whether it's after the bull market, when they decide to run this, they're going to take this in like 1 week, if not way shorter, 2 days, 1 day. I'm going to say this sentence, and then we're going to talk about the local stuff, and I'm going to read some comments. Bitcoin has not ever in its history gone this long without a 25% correction. Ever. Since its conception. Okay? So just keep that in mind. If the sentiment is, oh, things are different this time, you know what? Maybe they are. Right? Maybe they are different. But remember that they're different when the halving comes around. And if we keep going up, guys, the harder we go up, I believe the harder we will fall. Listen, maybe they're different this time. Maybe I shouldn't be as cautious as I am. I'm not bearish. I am cautious. But, guys, like, I know what it's like to give back all the money you made. And I'm not making that mistake. I'll tell you that for free. All right, guys, chat, what are you guys saying, my people here? Peachy says, Jason Casper, I'm in your masterclass from YouTube. Man, Jay's a G. Jay is a G. Top guy JC, top guy JC. Yes, sir. Guys, listen, we got 617 people in the chat, and I have 263 likes. So if you're new here, if it's your first time here, my name is Gio. I trade differently than most people, okay? I talk about vector candles. I combine them with market Cipher B, and I build sentiment. I build a narrative every single day, and I just bring the news to you. Whether you like the news, whether you resonate with me or not, whether you like my music, or you like my height, or you like my royalties that I pay Jay every single day for walking. Welcome. Nonetheless, hit the like button, guys, because every 100 likes, I do giveaways on my boot camps, okay? So I have 4 boot camps. Each of them are about 3.5 hours long. Some of them are a little bit over. Some of them are just 3 hours. But I got 4 different boot camps, and every 100 likes, I give them away for free. So right now we're at 263 likes. So I'll be giving away 2 boot camps to 2 of you lucky winners, or unlucky, depending on if you like my voice or not, or the way that I teach. So make sure y'all smash the like button. And okay, let's talk locally now. So we already know that we're in macro resistance. We already know that there's a bunch of liquidity that can be swept. We already know that I gave these shorts in advance. We already know that me and my Discord is short if they listened. Okay, so we're chilling. We're good. Well, what can we see really right now? Okay, I want to talk about what's going on right now. So I want you guys to start remembering or start thinking like market makers. Okay, I trade like a market maker. Like I said, I don't always trade like everybody else. Okay, I trade like a market maker. I think like a market maker always, which means I'm always thinking about vector candles. I'm always thinking about getting about where the liquidity is, where to enter. I'm always thinking about that, always. And so right now, what I'm seeing in this range is this was a very important level. Okay, I did a VIP stream. I did a VIP live stream. This is not an exact box, but I did a VIP. I'll give you the exact box here. I did a VIP live stream, and remember, I trade like a market maker. I'm always looking for liquidity. Okay, I am always primarily looking for order blocks because I trade like smart money, and that is where your smart money resides, within order blocks. Now, when you are trying to determine whether or not price is going to go up or down, you need to understand where you are. You need to understand how you got there. So we have a macro move to the upside. We know that the daily doesn't look great. Okay, so we should be favoring the shorts, but it's not about that. We're going to trade every range as it comes. But you need to understand where you are with your range, with everything else, and where are the order blocks? Where's the smart money? Where are the liquidations? Guys, I am new to exo charts. Okay, I'm learning it still. The day that I am here and I can tell you guys confidently that I know this, I will let you know when that day comes, and perhaps we will do a boot camp on it. For now, I am trying to learn it, so I just want to give you guys full disclosure on that, and I like it, man. It's going really well. It's going very, very well, and it helped me get into my trades at these levels. But I want to show you this. Anytime we are in a range, which you can see we're in a range, I'm going to hide the value areas right now because it's not really important for what I'm trying to explain, okay? So we have our range. We got the range high. We have the range low. We already know that whenever you deviate the low, you come to the high. Whenever you deviate the high, you come to the low. That's just standard, what I will say, range theory. Okay, we already know this. Now, when you are trying to determine whether or not we're going to take the high, you can do so in a couple ways. You can do the very retail approach of it, which there's nothing wrong with it. People do it, and I use it as well. And you can pull your fibs, okay? So you can look for your golden pockets. You can look for your 786s, whatever, right? You could say here, objectively, that we did have somewhat of a reaction off of the 786. Yes, we wicked it out a little bit, but we had our little reaction up here. We had whatever, right? Now, I'm in the camp of believing that these golden pockets and these 786s happen and they work because there are order blocks there, right? Because there's smart money there. And so when I am in my range, I am always looking for order blocks. And let me tell you why this zone that I just closed out, this was the most important level. And I made this video and I updated it to my VIP members in the Discord. I did a live stream and I'm like, guys, I'm not really interested in anything except for this level. This is the most important level, in my opinion, for potentially the week, but potentially the month was up here. The most important level. Why? I told you I'm always looking for order blocks, okay? We have our range. Now, when we came up and we have our first tap, second tap, 3 tap, okay? We got 3 taps to the high. We know market makers like to move in 3s. We know that the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. We know that this was your 1 tap, this was your 2 tap, this was your 3 tap, and on our waves we have the 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the wave that you're looking for. If money flow is thick, this is the wave you're looking for. This second wave here is not a spike wave, it is a set wave, which we're going to talk about in a video that's coming out this week. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss that. But listen, this is not the wave we're looking for. This is a set wave. You could have entered on a cheat sheet entry here, which I also have videos about, but we were expecting one last tap to the upside. Fine. We don't know naturally where the range is going to top out at. We don't know. And then obviously we came back down and we had our range. Remember, at first the range looked like this and then it expands, right? So when we had that tap, which made sense for the 1, 2, 3, while simultaneously the daily time frame is looking a little bit more sus than all these thumbnails out here are looking. Okay, it's looking a little bit sus. We could say, all right, well, this could be a significant top, which we did short. And I shorted it the same way that I'm going to teach you how I shorted here as well. I have 2 shorts right now. Okay, 2 shorts. No longs. Not really interested in the longs. Now listen. It is our job as traders, especially range trading, which I have a video on range trading coming up as well, to identify where the smart money is. Look. When you are looking for order blocks, first of all, I have an order blocks indicator that is not out for the public yet. Okay. Not out for the public yet. Shouts out to Charant. Not out for the public yet. I have rules that I follow when looking for order blocks. Okay. We're going to hide the EMAs here because they are not very important for what I'm trying to say. Okay. So take a look. We are looking for order blocks. Now I do this manually. I absolutely do this manually. However, why is this cloud still here? However, the indicator is going to help you guys find them based on my rules and whatever else, okay? So look, I'm actually going to do it without the indicator because it's a little bit easier to explain. It is our job to understand where the smart money lies. And at this point, when we were up here, it was the most important level. Not only did we SFP this high again, okay? But we also had, what did we SFP really into? Let's take a look. On the 3-minute time frame, we had an order block that was unmitigated. Where is it? I need to find it. No, it wasn't there. Was that the high? This one? Right here. Right here. Here's my order block. We had a 3-minuter that was unmitigated. Where is it? I need to... Oh, right here. What? Hold on. Let me find it. I actually don't even know where it is. Hold on, let me see it. Short scalp idea. 526. Was it a 2-minuter? I am, as they say, flopping and groping right now, guys. My bad. Where am I? 3-minute. Okay, hold on. Let me zoom out. Yeah, it was this one. It was here. Order block had to have been here. Yeah, right here. So take a look at what we had, okay? At the time, this was the last order block within the range, okay? Now remember, it is our job to identify where the smart money is. And so look, if we had our order block here, we had inducement on the order block, which is essentially getting front run on the order block once, twice. And I was saying, and even though we dumped, and even though I wanted this to come a little bit lower, we were saying that, listen, we got to play the range for what the range is. We know that the daily time frame looks a little bit suspicious. Shouts out to Randy. We know that it's looking a little bit suspicious, right? And hold on, where's my music at? And we know that, at least for me, I'm favoring the shorts a little bit longer than I'm favoring the longs, because I think that we are able to really dump from here, really, like, significantly. Remember, I like the idea of coming down to 43K. Is it going to happen? I have absolutely no idea. We have 1,800 people in the chat right now. That is absolutely insane. Guys, listen, if we have 18, I don't know if it's bots or what, but hit the like button if you haven't already. And let me know. Here, how about this? How about this? This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna continue, but here's what we're gonna do. If you're a real person and not a bot, I want you to write sandwiches in the chat right now. Everybody that's a human, I want you to comment sandwiches. And I want you to hit the like button because I don't know if this is real. I don't know if we actually have 2,000 people in here, but that's crazy. If we do, guys, my name is Gio. But let me see sandwiches. I want to see sandwiches. Type sandwiches because I've never had this many viewers. I'm honored. I'm truly humbled to be here if you're real. If you're not real, go away. But if you're here, I want you to type sandwiches. Let me see. Let me see who's real. Type sandwiches. I want to see sandwiches. Arby's, sandwiches, sandwiches. I'm a bot. These are my people. I know these people are real. Let's see. Damn, guys. Views. Wow. Okay. What's up, everybody? I guess we're not all bots. Well, then, if you guys are not robots, let me just say hello. My name is Gio. Every single day on this channel, I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. That's pretty wild, man. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. I appreciate the love. Make sure you hit the like button, guys, because every single day when I have 100 likes on stream, every 100 likes, rather, I do a giveaway on my boot camps. Look at that. Sandwiches, sandwiches. You're not real. You're not wearing blue. Randy, we have to have a conversation, Randy. We got to have a conversation. All right, so listen, guys. Why am I short from here? Why did I hit it? Look, for the people just tuning in, this was given in my VIP Discord, okay? Right here. I gave it. I said what I wanted to see, and then it exactly happened. Bang. Now, it doesn't always happen. It's a hot dog. Damn, guys. This is crazy. 3,000 views. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my ugly voice and my ugly face. Now, look. It's our job. Yeah, back to the TA. I gotta hit this, okay? It is our job to identify where the smart money lies. At this point, this is why I came up with the idea to send price lower from here. And the reason that this was the most important level was because this was the last order block within the range. So when I did my VIP stream and I updated my people and I'm like, guys, this is the most important level. This is the most important short trade. I very confidently put my stop loss above here. Listen, I said if it hits, fine. But if it hits, the idea is we're going to break out. We're going to come much, much higher, which would then take me to this potential short scalp idea, which as of now, I don't know is if it's invalid. I will have to reassess when I'm not sitting here in front of almost 4,000 people. Crazy. But this is why I was fairly confident in this idea. And look at where the target is, guys. I mean, we could absolutely come and take some liquidity here. We could absolutely do that. This was the last order block in the range. And if we are identifying the smart money and we're playing against the vector candles and we're understanding that the rules are whenever you have a red dot, you got to look to the left and say, if we got green vector candles, they can come and get recovered. We're playing all that with the smart money. Jason's in the chat again. Shouts out to Jay. I got 4,000 people in here. I can't even believe that, guys. I can't even believe that. That is absolutely insanity. I was gonna not stream today, but I mean, I guess we're here. How about this? Guys, if you're new here, first of all, I'm gonna say this again because this is like kind of crazy right now. 4,000 people in the chat, 300 likes. Guys, hit the like button for me. Hit the like button for me. Every single day I bring y'all the sauce, as they say over there in New York, and I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. I give you guys not my levels, but look, I'm trying to teach you how to get it. You know, like, how do you get it? People, Gio, you're not giving us the trades. Guys, I'm not trying to give you the trades. I'm trying to give you all the sauce. Shouts out to Jay, man. Thank you for the love, brother. Shouts out to Randy. Shouts out to all my Market Cipher people. Shouts out to my sponsor, Market Cipher, Crypto Face, Nick Cipher. Nick is so funny, bro. Nick is so funny. 4.8. Guys, I mean, yo, yeah, the likes are not matching up. Guys, this is what we're going to do again because I don't know. I'm humbled, but I'm also not convinced. Here's what we're going to do again. We're going to do this one more time and then we'll do some giveaways because, come on, I gotta get some love here. Listen, I got to give some love, rather. No, man, I'm definitely not famous. I'll say this, though, guys. If you are just want sauce more than poutine, Randy, we gotta talk, Randy. Listen, guys, if you are if you're not a bot, if you're a bot, go away. I don't like you. But if you're not a bot, because I have 5,000 and I'm kind of like, I don't know, overwhelmed. Like I didn't. Anyways, if you're not a bot, I want you to write down for me your favorite food. Okay? Because that's how I know, like, bots are not able to comprehend my fast talking. So if you're not a bot right now, please drop me your favorite food and hit the like button, because we are at like 5% likes. I think somebody's buying me views. Shouts out to Halls, which I need every day because I scream at you guys. Turan is good. Bro, if you are new here, hit the like and get yourself subscribed. Might as well join the Discord while you're at it. Thank you, Philly. Thank you. You do identify. We got pizza. Yo, pizza's an amazing cheat day. I'll tell you that. Pizza's an amazing cheat day. All right, Bitcoin is pumping right now. Why is Bitcoin pumping, guys? What's the #1 rule? While I keep getting your favorite foods in the chat here. Bitcoin is pumping right now because... What's the number? Man, I say this every day. When you have a green dot, you got to look to the left and say that this red vector candle can get recovered. Vector candles are exactly where your smart money lies. And this was a very important level. And like I said, it was the last order block within the range that we identified when we came up here. And we struggled, guys. We were here for hours. And they tried once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times to break the high. They broke the order block, cool. But they didn't hit the stop loss. And they really struggled. And guys, what doesn't go up should go down. Right? What doesn't go up should go down. Randy says that I'm gorgeous, guys. Her thing is still not here. Her photo is still not here. Yeah, I don't know, man. The likes are 10% likes right now. We're getting some sandwiches here. I don't know. I don't really believe it. But 5K is not real. Yeah, I don't know if I believe it. This is the second stream now where the numbers are kind of up there. I don't know if I believe it. I don't really know. BTC is pumping because you long. Jay, bro, we need to send it down. I want it to go down. I've been talking about down with these bearish thumbnails against Crypto Face, against you. I need it to go down. BTC pumping because I've been trying to short for over a week now. David, you and me both, bro. You and me both. I'll tell you this. I am so sick of catching the highs and then getting stopped out at entry. Like, are we gonna get the move down yet or what? But I'll tell you this. Look, you can't say that that this was unexpected, because we already know whenever you have a red dot, no matter what, the next dot is gonna be green. There is no such thing as two red dots in a row. And whenever you have a green dot, the #1 rule is you look to the left and say that vector candle can get recovered. Okay, if I was better with EXO, which I'm learning, then I would dive in and be like, oh, you know, we had a bunch of buys here and CVD was coming down, open interest was coming up, but I'm not there yet. But I'm getting there, guys, okay? I'm getting there. I want zesty love. You're funny. Listen, Randy, I think your confidence is up since you turned 21. The whole I'm like telling me that I'm gonna wear blue thing. Funny. So many viewers because we can't believe anyone is crazy enough to short Bitcoin. Listen, my friend, Flat Smack, you must be new here. Welcome. I love you, my brother or sister. But we are, I long and I short. I do both. Call me crazy, but I'm in the profit. Hey, I'm in the profit. I'm up $200 right now on my Bitcoin short. I mean, nothing crazy. Not gonna go and buy a Chiron. Okay, this is not our Chiron short just yet, but I'm up $200 because I had the cojones to hit the short. All I want this year is market Cipher B. My brother, if I keep blowing up the way that I'm blowing up, then maybe I can do something for you. Okay, maybe I can do a little something for you. Bet Trader Geo is wearing blue boxers. I bet Trader Geo is not wearing any boxers. Geo, you know blue is such a nice color. Oh man, this is fun. I like having this many people in the chat. Guys, if you're new here, man, welcome. I hope you all had a good weekend. Happy, what is it, President's Day for the US people. Happy Family Day to my fellow Canadians. What is popping? What is the chat going on about right now? By the way, guys, let me just say as well, that's a perfect time for a disclaimer. Shame on you, my mods, that didn't remind me to give you guys the disclaimer. If you are new here, and even if you're not, disclaimer. I hope Jay is still here because I've been hitting this disclaimer lately. Disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And shouts out to my boy Jason Casper, who invented treadmills, if you don't know. And I have to pay him royalties for every step I take. So his $200 super chat is coming right back to him. Viewer discretion is advised, guys. I'm just a kid and like. Why do I sound gay and look like a mouse? It's because I am a gay mouse. That's why. Enter in Jay's live later. Can I cover Solana? Yeah, we could take a look at Sol. Let's take a look at Solana. So Solana. Look, I'm gonna say this because a bunch of people are gonna ask me for some alts here, and I have no problem doing the alts here, but what is this? I have no problem doing the alts here, but just understand, guys, that your alts are going to follow Bitcoin. And something I always preach for is no matter what alt you're trading, okay? It doesn't matter what it is. No matter which alt you're trading, you need to understand that your alts will move in tandem with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin shits the bed, so will your alts, because technically speaking, let's be real, Bitcoin dominance as of late is absolutely up. You can't say that it's not, okay? And so if dominance is relatively up, I understand we're getting this kind of sideways, whatever. But if we were to come down here, or like relative to where it's been, we're up, okay? So if Bitcoin starts to drop and dominance continues to rise, your alts are going to absolutely bleed. So please take that into consideration when it is time for you to trade your altcoins. I do not scalp alts. I will swing trade alts. I do not scalp them, okay? I do not scalp them. Just wanted to say that. Now, let's talk about Solana with that in mind. Right now on the daily time frame, here's your daily low, here's your daily high, okay? It's not yeah, I do think it is bots. I mean, I kind of do, I kind of don't, because you're new and other people are new also. So I don't know what's going on with the numbers. I really don't. If somebody botted it, I didn't do it. It wasn't me. But hey, if you are not a bot, welcome. If you're a bot, go away. We don't like you. Now listen, Solana, okay, we got a lower high, potentially a lower high on the daily, or sorry, a higher low. Here's our, but right now, this is your daily high, this is your daily low. Everything in between is internal, okay? This is all internal on Solana. Now, Sol is rather interesting because it's been ripping it. It's been on an absolute bender, similar to Bitcoin, right? And so Solana has some gas to the downside if it was gonna go down. Okay, like if Bitcoin is gonna shit the bed here, then it does look like Solana could do the same, right? Let's talk about why. This is an important swing level, right? This wick here. And we've been unable to close above it, okay? We rejected here. We tried for 2 days in a row to come up. All we did was actually SFP this high, recovering this red vector candle, which we know is where the smart money lies. And we're struggling a little bit here. Now, the little bit of hope, not a little bit of hope, but the hope that Solana has is it did reject perfectly, or bounce perfectly rather, off of this 4-hour order block. So if we jump down now to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that on the 4-hour, objectively, our market structure is as follows, okay? We have on the 4-hour, up, down, up, down. This could potentially be your higher low on the 4-hour time frame. Is it going to be? I have absolutely no idea. Bitcoin is very teeter-totter right now. That's not the right word, but very teeter-totter right now. And not often you look up a short dude's nose for so long. That's very true, man. Most people get me at this angle. I haven't figured out a good way to have my... Look at this. If I move it up like this, then the green screen and... Listen, guys, I just work here, okay? I'm just a dude. Okay, I'm just a dude that pays Jay's royalties. Now, hear me out. So, we have the higher low... Or sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, whatever. Okay? So, right now, currently, this is your 4-hour low. And this is your 4-hour high. Everything else is internal. This could be the higher low, higher low, to then make a higher high if it's going to continue. The only problem with that is we had this SFP that was confirmed on the daily time frame. So it's a little bit sketchy. In addition to that, we know Bitcoin is a little bit sketchy where it's at right now. Okay, we know that Bitcoin doesn't have to go crazy amount of percentage down. I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to 30K, but Bitcoin is a little bit sketchy right now. We know dominance is relatively high, and we know that if dominance is high and Bitcoin shits the bed, so will Solana, while simultaneously taking out the liquidity of this vector candle to the right here on the daily time frame, SFPing this level, things could get ugly. Now, if Bitcoin or if Solana starts to close 4-hour candles below this level 103, then I would say that we are likely to come down to recover this guy down here at 100, and we are potentially likely to blow out these lows and come down towards this daily / 12-hour order block around 85 cents. Remember, it's a little bit iffy. Okay, it's a little bit iffy. We don't know yet. It depends on Bitcoin, really. So we have our 4-hour high, 4-hour low. How do we know if that's going to happen? We can jump down on our lower term time frames. Okay, we can jump down on the lower term time frames on the 15, for example, or the 30, and pay attention to market structure there. So the 30-minute structure right now, we absolutely flipped bullish coming out of this order block, which is nice. We haven't really had any retracements back into this what's the word? Back into this demand zone. And so whenever we have our higher highs and higher lows, we can expect somewhat of a pullback. But current structure was up, down, and then up, or actually this was the low. So here's your 30-minute or 15-minute structure, or even hourly structure. This low and this high. Everything else is internal. So now we can say that if Solana is going to play, like, let's be objective here, okay? Don't hate me for this, guys, but let's be objective. Solana has money flow coming out on the 30-minute time frame. This is absolutely a spike wave. We have the momentum wave and the money flow divergence. While we came to the high, while we came and swept this liquidity, swept this liquidity, swept this liquidity, we probably had an order block somewhere up here. Okay, so we swept liquidity, which means this did something. Okay, we absolutely did something here, and market Cipher is not looking super great objectively for Solana. So let's just say we start losing this 30-minute low, then I absolutely believe that we may come back and retest this 4-hour order block. Maybe we SFP it and the order block holds. I don't know yet. This order block has not done its job yet. Okay, the order block hasn't done its job yet, but if we start closing below here, then I do think that we may potentially roll over and come down and test these more significant order blocks. Now we have, like, you know, I'm not gonna get super technical with it because I don't trade alts like that, but we could come back and test this zone. I don't know if we're gonna SFP it because this low already SFP'd this low, but again, it really depends on Bitcoin, right? Really depends on Bitcoin. I can foresee absolutely Solana coming down to around 95, or even worse, depending on your view of it, coming down to around 85 before potentially continuing its daily bullish market structure, right? But we'll see. Telling by your walk strides you're under 5'5". Funny that you say that, because disclaimer, all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio's an incompetent 5'2 3/4". Thank you for noticing. Thank you for noticing. Wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Thank you for noticing, though. You're in my Suzuki, short from 52275. VIP is the place to be. Shouts out to Matt BTC. I appreciate you, my brother. Thank you very much for the love. You did not have to send me that. God bless you. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. He getting no cat? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe, maybe not, bro. All right, what did I miss in the chat? Let's catch up in the chat. You're still 100% bullish. We grabbed liquidity at the bottom. Now to grab it to liquidity at the top. Hey, man, look, we play every range, like I said. So if it's going to continue higher, it may. We do have levels above us that we can come to. Okay, I got my eye between 57, like really 55 and 58 is going to be significant resistance, okay? And we've talked about it. And I hope it gets up there. Look, I'm short right now. I have no problem getting stopped out. No problem at all. I hope it gets there. Because if it does, then... And we are getting continued... Like, if we get something like this on the daily time frame, for example... Let's just say we get boom, boom, boom... And we get another divergence, then that will just make this short from up here much juicier, right? So I don't mind at all, right? We have significant levels up here for sure. We got naked weeklies up here. We got naked dailies up here. We have the macro 786 up here. We have the whole retail is super bullish and doesn't want to sell ever narrative that we can play against. So you know what I'm saying? All right. Word on the street. Misty in crypto offered me a cookie and I couldn't reach it. Cannot confirm or deny. Not confirming or denying. Shouts out to everybody in the chat, man. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Gio and I'm 5'2" and 3/4. Don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't know what I'm talking about. YouTube funky today? Yeah, it is. It is funky today. Drake Hobbs use this account. Bathroom break? I actually do need to use the bathroom. Okay, I'll be back, guys. You're my losing all my innocence and body, you're my baby. All right. Let's see. What are we doing with the chat here? We're gonna play catch up. Marcus, true. Hey man, I used the step ladder but couldn't even reach it. That may what? Oh, the song. We don't do this song. We don't do Lil Nas X, guys. Guys, if we do Lil Nas X, no, we don't. If you do it, no, we do not. Emma wants Gio to step up. I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay, guys, listen. I don't know if these likes are real, to be honest. And if they are, I'm flattered. If they're not, you're hurting my feelings. I don't know how we can have 2,400 people but only have 900 views. Maybe YouTube is tripping, or maybe y'all are tripping, or maybe the bots are tripping. I don't know. I just work here. Nonetheless, I'm a man of my word, and we're going to do some giveaways. I don't know if I'm going to give away 1,300 because I don't know if you're real, but this is what we're going to do. Okay? We're all going to go to my last live stream. Okay? The bears ain't bearing. Wait for the bare necessities. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to, and by we, I mean you. We're all going to go to this video. Go, 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 go. Everybody drop a comment and like that video, okay? Like that stream. I'm gonna hit the money song for you, bro. Don't worry. Hit the like on that stream. Hit the like on that video, okay? And drop a comment. I don't care what the comment says. Gio, you suck. Gio, you're short. Gio, you need to step up. Gio, Gio, calm down. Whatever it is, man. Gio, I don't want to look up your nostrils anymore. Gio, you sound gay. I don't care, man. I just work here. This is what I want you guys to do. Go leave a comment. Doesn't matter what it is, but you have to leave. Do we have a stool emoji? Is there a stool emoji? Stool. Chair. Leave a chair emoji. I don't care what it is, guys. Doesn't matter what the comment is, but it has to have a chair emoji. If there's no chair emoji, you are not going to win I don't know how many giveaways we're gonna do. I'm gonna gauge it based on how many likes and how many comments I get there, because that's gonna be the way that I could see if you guys are real. So go do that. Go leave the comment. It has to have a chair emoji. Has to have a chair emoji. We were talking about step stools. Yeah, no, I got you. I mean, that was the pun, right? But I think, I mean, I've been on it. Like, I did my part, Randy. You did not bring the tequila, so. Hard Hacker, what's up? What is up, my friend? How are you? How is life? I hope you're blessed. Happy holiday, if whatever holiday country you're in, if you're in a country that has a holiday. Gio, if you win a boot camp, can you get a future one? Yeah, you can. You can. You can. Yeah, I do use. Shouts out Squatty Potty. No, I'm just kidding. But for real, shouts out to Market Cipher, my sponsor, guys. While you guys are doing that, we're gonna hit the money song right now because hello, people love the money song. Go leave a comment. We're doing some giveaways right now. Let's get money. Let's get money. Let's get money. Do I have an order blocks video? I do not have an order blocks video, bro. I don't. It's included in the boot camp, yeah. Order blocks I'm never gonna bring on YouTube though, ever. Sandwiches, let's go. Let's go. Sandwiches. I think Joe should strap on a thick pair of Huggies. You need to be guided into a simple guide with a like for sangria. I know you need to be guided, Randy. That's why I tried to guide you, and you didn't do it. And then you gaslit me by telling your people that it was me that didn't do it. Where's my music? All right, guys, listen. Y'all know the drill, man. Go hit that. Where's my... I'm going to copy paste this. One second. Go leave any comment you want on that video. Make sure you like the video. If you don't like it, it's not going to count, okay? This is how I'm going to gauge how many of you guys are real. We got 48 comments right now. We're going to see how it goes. Drop me the chair emoji. And let me know when you're done. Wait for it. Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get me, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Guys, while we're here, let me just say hello. A free way to support me is by hitting the like button, and you also might win a boot camp if you do so. Another way to support me for free is signing up on Mexi. Is the absolute cheapest exchange on fees. 0% taker fees, 0.01% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then then you know it's the cheapest on fees. Shouts out to our Prime Minister here. The mayor here really thinks he is the shit. I don't think I'm anything, bro. I don't think I am anything. I'm a 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer. What do I know? Yeah, Geo Rave. Doesn't you're friends with someone in your parliament? Gross. Randy, collab when? Collab when? How many likes are we at right now? 62 comments. Yeah, man. I don't believe it. I don't believe the bots. Shouts out to the bots, but I don't believe you. Let's get that money going. Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money, let's get money. Let's get money. These are funny AF. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry for having fun. I'm a scammer, guys. I walk. And I owe Jay I owe Jay royalties. OJ royalties. When I asked you nicely instead of yelling at you, Randy, I joined your stream today and you were literally yelling non-stop. Girl. Okay, what's the next track? Now, all right, listen, we're gonna do the giveaway. I don't know how many I'm gonna give away because I don't trust y'all. Not you guys, but you did. Randy, don't tell them. Just kidding. Shouts out Dak. Shouts out Hard. Shouts out Mr. Dave Digital. Shouts out Flat Smack. Shouts out to the hater. What do we say about the hater? So beat it, beat it. No one wants to beat it, beat it. No one wants to beat it, beat it. Pretty sure Gio's on a real hamster wheel. I am, bro. I actually am. I actually am. All right, man. Listen, we're going to do the giveaway right now, guys. 67 comments. So I'll give away 2. I'm going to give away 2. Gio, show the fucking indicator without the clouds. It's in the inputs. Bro, listen, the indicator is not ready yet. Can you okay? Sounds like trauma there. I am traumatized. You're absolutely right. You're allowed to yell at me. I don't know about that. I don't take that. I'm not I don't want to talk shit, but like I'm not let's say this. I will never give you 1 Bitcoin. I'll tell you that. Pro tip, enter Randy's stream at 10:30 a.m. to see Miss the Young. Yo, she's even like her thing is Miss Teen Crypto. She's not even a teenager. She's not even a thing. All right, we're gonna do 3 giveaways. He also competes with me with singing. Well, you never want to come and duet. All you do is ignore. All you do is not follow me back on Instagram. All right, guys, listen. We're doing the giveaway. Enough is enough. Okay, enough jokes. Okay, every single streamer's stream has been infested with mine and Randy's shit. Okay. It's not about us. It's about you. So guys, listen, we're doing 3 giveaways and we're going to do them all right now. And it's not very long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to learn this game. And if I can help with these boot camps, then that's all I want to do, man. When I die, I want to go to a good place. So let's get these giveaways. Let's go. I got high hopes in you, baby. FinTube, congratulations, my friend. FinTube69. Great username. Great username. Great number. Listen, my friend. Head over to the video. Make sure the like button was hit. And click this thingy. Make sure we can see that. Head over to the Discord. Open up a ticket. And let them know which boot camp you want, my friend. And we will get that going for ya. We will get that going for you. Says the fake Justin. How do you know it's fake? Mama said. Well, how do you know that I'm not just boys? Yeah, see? Don't worry, JT. I got you, bro. How do you know we're not just boys? Come on now. Yo, can we get short jokes in the chat? Like, roast me. Roast me. Like, oh, Gio's so short that when he needs a band-aid, it's a blanket. Or something. Like, I just thought of that. Okay, I'm not a comedian. I just work here. But let me see some roasts. roast me while we get the other giveaways here. And by the way, guys, shout me out on shout me out. Go follow me on x.com. I post things that are kind of cancelable, but it's okay. That's what we're working towards, baby. Financial freedom. All right, guys. Next giveaway. We got 2 more. Let me see some roasts. You know what? I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do one more. Peachy, brother. I'll see you, man. I'll see you, bro. Have a good one, my friend. I will see you tomorrow. Have an amazing Monday. God bless you and your family. And we'll chat soon, my friend. Guys, listen. I'm gonna do one more giveaway in the rolls, and then I'm gonna do one giveaway for whoever roasts me the best. Whoever roasts me the best is gonna get the last one. So let me see him. W Mans. So from Toronto. All right, guys. Second winner is... And let's get some dancing. Randy, I know you're about to dance through the screen right now. This is a bot, okay? These bots, man. Oh. Shouts out to Crypto Girly. I am so happy you won. Congratulations, Crypto Girly. Congratulations. You guys, man. Congratulations. You know what to do, Crypto Girly. You know what to do, girl. Good stuff, man. No voice can be that sexy. Gio, you need to leave. Oh, yeah, I already answered that. Are you here to give me some vocal training? I need vocal training, guys, please. I'm way in over my head here. This Discord has some amazing people, really good information. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to turn it up for Miss Hipper. Why can I not get depressed? Midgets are always looking up. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Depression isn't real, but not bad. Gio's show is so short that he has to look up to look down. The type of guy who thinks a pickup line is how he gets on the bar stool. These are funny. Randy is here because she favors shorts as well. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, that's the one so far. Gio's show is so short that being gay was his only option. Oh my god, I love you too, Crypto Girly. I love you too. Gio, give you a finger point. All right, ready? That's you. Oh, baby. These are funny, man. Gio show is so short. Just so short, he has a sign for when he... Wait, hold on. Gio is so short, he has a sign for when going downstairs saying, please mind your R's. Oh, this is fun. I like this game. I like this game. All right. Wait, what did Jab say? The water in the shower evaporates. Oh! Okay. Jabs is way winning, bro. Jabs is way winning. Way winning. Gio shows so short that he makes Hezbollah look like Big Shaq. Gio, let's gym soon. We could be like Goku and Vegeta. You should play the next vacuum. Where is the chart? I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Short people like you can use Lego for steps. Listen, you guys got to get more creative, man. Jabs, look at Jabs is. Come on now. The water in the shower evaporates before it reaches you. Like, yo, that one hits hard. Gio's so short, he's been walking all stream and hasn't moved. Randy's a passionate streamer, to say the least. She's okay. She's all right. He's okay. He's fine. Gio's so small. He slides down every stair on... Actually... Gio's so short. He holds up a sign that says, don't spit, can't swim. You're so short that you can save on rent by living in a dollhouse. That's actually not a bad idea. You're so short when Bitcoin hits the bottom, he will be still looking long. These are funny. Gio's so short that people use to pick him up and find his mommy. What do you mean used to? They still do. Gio's so short that you could put him on the fridge as punishment. This is a good one. Listen, Jabs still got the W. Gio listens to music at home because he doesn't like going to concerts. He can't stand anywhere without having someone else. Yo, this is actually true. Listen, I go to festivals and stuff, and like I'm actually dead ass armpit level to everybody. It's freaking disgusting. But speaking of that, I am seeing Pitbull, Enrique Iglesias, and Pitbull, Enrique, and Ricky Martin on Friday. Randy, you should come. Gio so short, he makes Gio so short, he makes sure he's the last one on the elevator so he doesn't have to sniff everyone's asses. I still have to, technically. Still have to. Gio, how does Gio make $1,000 a day? By investing $2,000 every day. That's a good one. A good one. Gio so short that when he gets up in the DJ booth, he is eye level with the crowd. Also very true. Sometimes I can't see shit, but hello. We still hit him with it. Gio so short, he makes sure... Oh, I already had that one. Okay, guys, listen. We can't do this all day. We got to get back to it. But I'm going to say this. Jabs 100% is the winner and nailed this shit out of the park. So, Jabs, you are allowed to give away a boot camp to whoever you want and however you want. I don't care. Do whatever you guys want. Whatever you want. Appreciate the little things. Actually, you know what? Growing up, because I was like always like picked on and whatever. Like I was always a small guy. Growing up, my mom used to say like, yo, big things come in small packages. That was like, it's cliche AF, but if you want to watch a good streamer, Cipher Levers content with understand. Sure. Go watch that, guys. Go watch that. I don't know who that is, but go watch them. Gio's AI generated. Gio's so short that when he poops, his legs are all up. Jabs, you can give it away. Give it away, brother, however you like. Randy, you did get one. You did. Because unlike you, Gio's so short that he's making money while Moon Boys are crying. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Gio, oh my God, you shorted? I can't believe you shorted. Okay, well, I mean, if I didn't short, I mean, it's not a lot, but I'm up $133. So, hello, up $139 now. If I didn't short, I wouldn't have had that. Jump up 10 times each morning. It would help me elongate myself. I heard Gio got pickpocketed. That's a good one. Gio's so short, he's always shorting the market. That is true. I am always shorting the market. Gio's so short, legs like me, he has to lift his privates, not to drag them on the floor. No, that would mean that my... Anyways, we're not gonna go there. You know what I was gonna say. Just the best person to take with you to Disneyland. He can't ride on any of the stuff, so he just chills and watches our stuff. Yo, Golden Child, this is a good one. Jabs, consider Golden Child here because that was a good one. Gio's so short, he is eye level to the crowd when I bring him on stage. Let's go! Let's go, JT! Aren't you something to admire? Cause you're shining something like a mirror, and I can't help but notice you're reflecting this heart of mine. All right, guys, let's take a look at BTC right now before we call it a session. And we peace out to maybe 500 of you, and then the rest are bots, probably. Let's talk about it, right? Let us talk about it. And the Lollipop Guild. Let's talk about it. Look, it's really make or break, okay? We're really make or break. We already said that this was the last zone that market makers may have potentially had interest in, okay? And that being said, let me hide this short position because we know that I shorted there. So this is make or break, right? We had the red vector candles. We know the number one rule is whenever you have a green dot, you look to the left and say that these vectors can get recovered. We know that the sentiment across the board lately has been super bullish, and we know that everybody's been buying and buying and buying and buying. But we also know that the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And this is relatively thick money flow to what we've had previously. So can we keep coming down from here? Absolutely. Can we come up? Absolutely. I'm not a magician. And despite what Homeboy kept saying in Randy's stream this morning, I do not. I mean, I trade. I go up and down. I long and I short, man. I long and I short. I long and I short. Just so short, his package only 1 inch shorter than him. Wears arm floaty so he doesn't drown in the kiddie pool. I named my lowest order. I named my lowest order block. Yo, I'm gonna run with that. It's gonna be called a geo block. Yo. The lowest order block in every range from now on is gonna be called a geo block. Dude. Yo, Jabs, he's winning it, bro. He's winning it. Jabs, giving it away after the stream. Okay, we're gonna do public lounge, but I'm gonna give you one. Arctic, bro. If you don't have all of them already, which you might, I'm giving you one just for that. Those are gonna be called geo blocks. Randy, I'm seeing no hate from you. Interesting. Seems like now that I'm asking for it, she doesn't have any hate. Just so short, he opens a car with his teeth. Yo, what is this teeth thing? Lately, like 2 days ago, someone's like, yo, Gio has no teeth. And then every other comment now is about my teeth. Guys, I have good teeth. I have perfect teeth, actually. And they're not veneers. Hope we come up long the bottom. There you go, bro. Listen, shouts out to Philly, who I know took the courses long the bottom on the Geo block. Dude, the Geo block thing is fire. Geo's so short he can't afford refunds. That's funny, man. That is so funny. That is so funny. Is ETH pumping? Ethereum is pumping. Wow. I don't know if I still have my ETH long open. Oh, I do. I have a little bit. I have not a lot. Half an ETH. Like, barely anything. But I do have an ETH position open. Interesting. Annie, do you want me? Annie, do you want me? Do you want me? Annie, Annie, do you want me? It's a good song. I might get copyrighted for this. Day 500 of me getting copyrighted. Annie, do you want me? Do you want me, Annie? Annie, do you want me? Annie, do you want me? Do you want me, Annie? Annie, do you want me? Annie, do you want me? Do you want me? Annie, do you want me? Annie, are you okay? Are you walking, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Will you tell us that you're okay? Then I sign at the window. Then he stopped you. I can send you Annie. Pick up into your apartment. And what if I went, Randy, do you want me? And you ran into the bedroom. You were shut down. It was shut too. Annie, are you okay? Annie, do you want me? Are you okay? Oh, you guys are killing it with these. First of all, I already said the game is over. So the fact that you guys are still going, hello, you're hurting my feelings. You're hurting my heartstrings. But this was a really good one. You were a dental assistant for almost 3 years. Saw scary stuff. Yeah, man. Perfect teeth and nice eyes are like my first two things. I can't be with somebody that doesn't have perfect teeth. I can't be with a girl that is like, I can't be better looking than my girl. Let's just put it that way. Like, I gotta be with, my girl's gotta be like beautiful. I can't be with someone that just so short when he smokes weed he can't get high. Gio can't smoke weed. Gio gets seizures from weed. Cause I got high hopes for a living. All right, guys, listen. I'm gonna keep you guys updated in the Discord. But I'm gonna play one song that I'm gonna get copyrighted for, but we'll just mute it later. So if you're watching it later, guys, you know, sucks that you're muted. But this is an absolute banger. Holiday time, and when marimba rhythm starts to play, am I sure I'm into girls? I'm not sure that I'm into girls. Guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading, and that, my friends, is curtains. Set my heart on fire.